Okay, so I don't know if it's the weather or the fact that we just got through the holidays or that there's a lot going on in the world, but I am feeling very, very lazy. So this is a really, really, really simple hairstyle, and I'm gonna offer you some tips to make it even more simple. Okay, so we're going to start with pre-stretched braiding hair. Really just about any length will work. The longer it is, the bigger your bun will be. So I'm using Outre brand pre-stretched braiding hair in 52 inches. It comes with 3 bundles per pack, and I'm going to use one of those bundles for this style. So keep it folded in half just like it comes out of the pack, and then you're going to drape it across your head with the tail of the hair being your bangs. Now, I knew that I wanted to cut the bangs because I wanted side pieces that were longer, but if you want to make this really, really easy, just place that tail where you want your bangs to fall so that you don't have to cut anything. And you will have the natural ends from the hair, so it won't be too blunt. It'll really look like bangs. So you can position this so that you don't even need any scissors. Clip that in place so it doesn't move. Now this is a hair bungee. It comes with 2 little hooks, but if you want to make this really simple, you can just use a regular elastic. Just cut it so that you can tie it around the base to connect the braiding hair to your ponytail. Okay, and then we're just gonna twist this into a bun. So twist the first half into a bun, pin that into place, then keep twisting around, and when you've almost run out of length, take that loop, twist it, and put it over the top of the bun. If you want to make things even simpler, don't bother. Just twist it all the way around like a bun and pin it in place. Now, I needed to cut the bangs because, like I said, I wanted longer pieces on the side. Twist it in the middle, cut straight across, and then cut vertically just to soften those blunt edges. Now, if you want to curl this hair, you can. You just have to use really, really low heat. So think about it this way. The braiders at the braiding salon will dip the ends in boiling water. Water boils at 212 degrees. So we know that this braiding hair can withstand up to 212 degrees. 250 degrees is not that far off. So you can curl this hair, but on really, really low heat. So I'm using this curling iron just to bump it and make it look less flat. And there she is, super easy, protective, top knot with bangs. This pack cost me $3 because they were 3 for $10. Can't really beat that. Lazy girl hair for the win.